Howdy, welcome to the channel. Today we're starting a new series around the Ryobi 4-volt lithium ecosystem. Let's get started. So the new Ryobi 4-volt lithium ecosystem are these single cell batteries, and they're 4-volt, and you either have a 2 amp hour or a 3 amp hour battery, and they simply charge with the USB-C charging port at the top, and some of them even have a fancy power indicator where you push the button and it shows green if it's charged or red if it's close to the end of the battery or completely dead. Now, all of my 4-volt kits all came with just over a 20-inch cable. They also come with the 2 amp hour 4-volt battery, and these are 3 inches long and about an inch in diameter. So the current tools that I have purchased within the 4-volt lithium ecosystem is the personal fan, the carving tool, the high-speed rotary tool, a lot of people call it a Dremel. You have the flashlight, and of course, the screwdriver. So I purchased this as the pumpkin carving kit, and you can see there's the 2 tools, but also a lot of accessories that come with this. So this tool is currently being sold for $69 for the battery, the tool, the wrench, and a V gouge, U gouge, and a flat gouge. So this carver has a 1 millimeter strike length and does 14,000 strikes per minute. So the Ryobi 4-volt lithium carver model FVH51 weighs 352 grams, or just over 3/4 of a pound. So there really isn't a whole lot of features with this. You open it up, slide in the battery, and there's an on and an off switch. You do have a light indicator like all of the other tools so far that lets you know if it's charged or if it's near or dead on the battery. And other than that, that's pretty much the features of it. So to put in a bit, you simply open the collar, we grab a bit and we put it into the system, twist it down, and then we tighten the collar with the provided wrench, and we're good to go. Now, this system's not going to be good at carving less dense items. For example, you're not going to be able to easily carve foam with it or cardboard, etc. This is for something like wood or fruits or vegetables like pumpkins and gourds and things like that. But now that we got the bit on, we'll turn it on, and you'll see I'm just going to apply some pressure. Now, initially you don't have anything. You actually have to push it hard enough to hear those clicks. Those clicks are normal. Now, I'm not an artist, but an artist who's actually able to make things out of wood, for example, feathers. You're trying to make a feather. Then this tool would allow you to do those types of carvings within that wood and give you very gentle feather looks. Now, obviously, as you can tell, you're not going to be able to dig deep down in here. But that's not the goal of this tool. This tool is for very fine carving details. So you can see I can vary the depth. And I can consistently hold that depth as I'm moving through my piece. Then if we need to get a wider trough, we simply pull off this bit and swap on the next size bit. And you can see the difference in these two. This is the one I was using, and you can see the new one that I'm putting on there. So even though I'm gouging out more, you hear the tool is still holding up fine. And you see how consistent my depth is on that going all the way through. Now, somebody who's skilled at carving will be able to do a much better job than I am. I am not a skilled carver. but you can see how you can get those small intricate details. If you're trying to match some cornice or something in your home that has very intricate detail, especially those who have homes from the 1800s, this would actually work really good to get you those fine details that you're looking for. So would I recommend you purchase this tool if you do wood carving or you need to do intricate detail in wood or a similar material? Then it does a great job. I have no problems with it. If you do like pumpkin carving, this actually does a really good job of doing those intricate details with some of those see-through pumpkins. You're not just trying to cut the straight old eyes in it. You're actually trying to bring out the pumpkin and do the real fancy drawings like the ones you see here. That would actually be really good. Thank you for watching our Ryobi 4-volt lithium ecosystem review for the tools that we've gone over. If you have any questions or comment about these tools, be sure to leave them below, and I will try to include comments within the videos like this one. Thanks for watching.